If two glow plugs stop working in a diesel engine, you'll notice a few key symptoms, especially in cold weather. First, the car will take longer to start. Instead of firing up right away, the engine cranks for a while before finally running. Once it starts, the RPM may fluctuate for a few seconds. This happens because some cylinders are not getting enough heat, causing an uneven idle. You might also see white or gray smoke from the exhaust, which is unburned fuel due to incomplete combustion. If the glow plugs aren't replaced, the problem can get worse over time, leading to poor fuel efficiency, more wear on the engine, and even trouble starting in mild temperatures.